In this session, let we come to know what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This language is mainly used for creating web pages in the internet. So web pages are mainly created by using an HTML language using different types of tags. So this HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee and W3C, which is World Wide Web Consortium, and the Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group has been developed. So next we'll see W3C is nothing but World Wide Web Consortium. The World Wide Web Consortium is an international community that develops open standard to ensure the long-term growth of the web, which is being used for the web pages. Suppose if you want to create a web page, then we have to use different types of text editors here. So some of the text editors are shown here. So we'll see using a text editor called as the Notepad here. So if you want to start a Notepad, the steps are: first we should click the start button, then select all programs, then accessories, then Notepad. So Notepad page will be opened here. So once the Notepad editor opens here, then select open the text editor, then create a new file and save that file by using filename.html. So in this HTML program here, if you want to save the programs, you should use an extension called HTML. So this is the simple examples we are shown in this example here. Then once if you write the code, then it has to be saved using a file name .html. Then we have to browse it to display the output by using different types of browsers. So this is the another simple example. So now let we know what is web browser. Web browser is a software which is used to view information on the web pages. There are different types of web browsers: Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, and some other. Web browser is used to read HTML document and display them as a web pages. The browser does not display the HTML tags, but it displays the contents which will be displayed in the tag. So how the output will be displayed on the screen as shown here. Next we'll see HTML page structure. That is nothing but the HTML structure, how you're going to write the code of the HTML page. Always it should begin with the HTML tag, then body. So body is the main part which contains the information on the web page. So in this structure we are using an H1. It is nothing but the heading. H1 is the largest heading here. P is the paragraph. Again we are using another paragraph here. So then once the information of the body is over here, then it should be closed by using a slash body, then end with the slash HTML. In the HTML program, the first tag should begin with the HTML and it should end with the slash HTML. So next we'll see HTML tags here. As we know that if you want to write a HTML programs, different types of tags should be used here. So some of the tags and rules are shown here. The markup are usually called HTML tags. So the first point, HTML tags are the keywords here which are surrounded by angle brackets as shown here. Next, HTML comes in pairs like B and slash B. B is nothing but the bold here. The first tag is a pair called starting tag and the second tag is called as the end tag. The starting tag and the end tag should begin with the what here? tag opening and slash closing. The starting and ending tag are also called opening tag and closing tag. So the general syntax as shown here: tag name, content, then close the tag name. Next, HTML5 headings. HTML5 is nothing but the version here. So there are 6 headings in the HTML: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So this is the, here we can see a simple example here. Then open the HTML body. In that body, 6 headings, then close that body, then close the HTML. So the output will be shown here. Next, HTML paragraphs. So as we know that if you write continuously the text here, so it should look in some paragraphs. So that paragraphs can be done by using a tag called P. So here we can see a simple example using paragraph, that is nothing but the P tag here. So we have used 3 paragraphs in these examples. So the output as shown here. Next, HTML link here. Suppose if you want to link from one web page to the another web page, so that can be used by using href tag here, that is mainly used to link the web pages. So in this output you can see here, if you click here, so it will open another web page. Next, HTML line breaks. So if you want to break the lines in a text, then we can use a paragraph here as shown in this example here. So this is how the output will be displayed. Next, HTML images. Suppose if you want to insert image to a web page here, so that can be done by using a tag image. src is nothing but the source code, the image name dot jpg, and width and height are the created for the images. So you can create a width and height for a image. Next, HTML lines. Suppose if you want to enter lines after a text here, so you can use here the paragraph and the HR. HR is nothing but the horizontal line. Suppose if you want to print the line in a horizontal, then you can use a HR tag. So this is how the output will be displayed. Next, we'll see HTML text formatting. Text formatting is nothing but here giving some style to the formatting of the text here. You can make style for the text. You can give a bold, you can give a color, and you can change the text. So that this is the some of the different types of tags which has shown in this example here, how that output will be displayed. Next, we'll see HTML tables. Suppose if you want to create a table using HTML here, so that can be created